Aloha, senors and senoritas. We are inviting you to the first ever Tesla Fiesta. It's going to be at our North Pittsburgh location in Gibsonia on Saturday, May 28th from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. There will be El Tacos, margaritas, and a mariachi. You're not a mariachi.
Aloha.
The real event on the 28th of May will have a real mariachi band. It will have an Elon piñata. It might have Elon himself if he honors his prior commitments. We will see you guys and the whole family there. Make sure you bring the Tesla to the Tesla Fiesta. Adios. No Arribas?
Nah, I don't do Arriba.
Take it away, Italian mariachi.